Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to make a delicious shrimp omelet. To begin, let's gather our essential ingredients. You will need about 4 ounces of fresh, raw shrimp, 3 large eggs, and any vegetables you enjoy, such as bell peppers or onions. Don't forget your aromatics like garlic and ginger, along with a tablespoon of cooking oil, a teaspoon of soy sauce, and a small pinch of salt to enhance the flavors. Having everything prepped makes the cooking process smooth and enjoyable. Now, let's get our ingredients ready for cooking. First, carefully peel and devine your 4 ounces of shrimp. This ensures a clean taste and texture. Next, finely dice about 1/4 cup of onions and 1/2 cup of bell peppers. These will add a lovely crunch and sweetness. In a separate bowl, whisk your 3 large eggs with 1 tablespoon of water or milk until they are light and airy. This step is crucial for a fluffy omelet. It's time to cook our omelet. Begin by heating 1 tablespoon of cooking oil in a non-stick pan over medium heat. Once hot, add your prepared shrimp, diced onions, and bell peppers. Sauté them for about 2 to 3 minutes until the shrimp turn pink and the vegetables are slightly tender. Then, pour the whisked eggs evenly over the cooked ingredients in the pan. Let it cook on medium-low heat until the edges are set and the center is nearly firm, about 3 to 4 minutes. Almost there. Once the omelet is mostly set, gently fold one side over the delicious shrimp and vegetable filling using a spatula. If you like a firmer center, you can cook it for an additional 30 seconds to 1 minute. Carefully slide your perfectly cooked shrimp omelet onto a warm plate. For a final touch, garnish it with some fresh cilantro or chopped green onions. Serve your homemade shrimp omelet immediately and enjoy this delightful, protein-packed meal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.